Alright guys, fast bags of bows and bullets. The bow segment today. Bow hunting, squirrels, birds. It's gonna be me and my friend Cody behind the trigger. I got my Princess 3 bow with about 55 pounds of draw. We're in the city, so yeah. It's whatever. See you next time, or when we come back. Let's go. So many. Okay, what do I use? Middle pin. There's two of them. Go for one on the left. Which one? Middle pin. Oh shit, they're pull. No. Pull, no. If you puncture their pull.
He doesn't even have an arrow in the thing.
Oh. That might help. Alright, my turn actually. Now we're moving throughout the outback. Hunting some squirrel and some birds. Let's see if we can get some prey. Turn the brightness back down. We are now seeing our prey. We're moving up for the shot. Dumb.